Let's see what makes the EcoFlow Delta 3 Plus a popular choice among consumers. Could it be the right fit for your needs? Quiz time. Which country has won the most FIFA World Cups? Choices: A. Argentina, B. Brazil, C. Germany, D. Italy. Think you know the answer? Drop it in the comments and stay tuned till the end for the reveal. Title: EcoFlow Delta 3 Plus, the powerhouse of portable solar generators. Hey there, power aficionados. Do you like your energy green, powerful, and mobile? Then buckle up, because today we're diving headlong into the world of the EF EcoFlow Delta 3 Plus solar generator. This portable power station with a 220-watt solar panel is not just a mouthful to say, but also a handful in terms of its plethora of features, benefits, and use cases. So, let's get electrified. First up, we have the 1,000-watt solar input LiFePO4 battery. This isn't your run-of-the-mill AA battery we're talking about here, folks. This is power, pure and simple, captured directly from our best friend in the sky, Mr. Sun. What does this mean for you? For starters, it means you can harness the power of the sun and convert it into usable energy for your devices, whether you're out in the wild or chilling at home. The EcoFlow Delta 3 Plus is a home backup power station. EcoFlow has meticulously designed to ensure you're never left in the dark, literally and figuratively. The LiFePO4 battery isn't just for show. It's a high-capacity, long-lasting powerhouse that's designed for durability and reliability. It's like the Hulk of batteries, minus the green and angry part. This battery can power your devices for hours on end, whether you're hosting a backyard movie night or camping in the great outdoors. And with its 1,000-watt solar input, it can recharge fully in just 2 hours, making it the fastest recharging rate in the solar power station category. But that's not all. This camping RV portable solar generator is also incredibly versatile. It boasts a multi-device capability, which means you can power up to 13 devices simultaneously. Yes, you heard that right. From laptops to fridges, drones, or power tools, the EcoFlow Delta 3 Plus is your one-stop shop for all your charging needs. Now let's talk about its portability. This isn't some hulking beast of a generator that requires a team of strongmen to move. Nope, the EcoFlow Delta 3 Plus is a sleek, compact, and lightweight design that you can easily carry from your home to your RV, and from the RV to the campsite, or wherever your adventures may take you. It's like having a personal power plant at your fingertips, or, more accurately, in the trunk of your car. One of the things that makes this generator stand out from the crowd is its user-friendly interface. It's as easy as pie to use, with a clear, intuitive display that shows you exactly how much power you're using and how much you have left. No more guessing games or power roulette. Now, you might be thinking, sure, this sounds great, but how does it fare in the great outdoors? Well, let me tell you, this solar generator shines brighter than a diamond in the rough. With its rugged construction and weather-resistant design, it's built to withstand the elements, making it the perfect companion for your camping, hiking, or RV adventures. In conclusion, the EcoFlow Delta 3 Plus solar generator is a game-changer. It's a portable power station with a 220-watt solar panel, a 1,000-watt solar input LiFePO4 battery, and a whole lot more. It's a home backup power station. EcoFlow has clearly poured their heart and soul into, and it's a camping RV portable solar generator that's ready to go wherever you are. So why settle for less when you can have the best? With the EcoFlow Delta 3 Plus, you'll never be left powerless again. Happy powering! If the EcoFlow Delta 3 Plus could grant wishes, I'd be all set. But even without that, it's already making life better in its own way. That's all for today's review. If you've got any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. And as always, check the link for more details.